Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Patrice Kleurt Scrap Journaling. Okay, it's nice to see you all back. Okay, today I have an amazing flip through from, yes, Paperomia. You can find those ladies on Coffee. The link from Coffee, I put it all in my comment place area. Whatever. Okay, I show you. This is a big bundle. A bundle from seven different kits. Look at this. Okay, before I go, let's show the pages. I will tell you something. The kit is calling Flora. It's a romantic spring kit full of flowers. My favorite portraits. More than 150 pages. 26. Here I go. Die cuties instead of ephemera. So I say die cuties and 2 back papers. We have in the kits lavender, orchids, peonies, sunflower, daisies, roses, and lilies. So let's go. Here we go. A basket. I print all my favorite because I make from this that huge kit. I want it in my journal, so it's a large kit. This is a back paper with a beautiful castle. The lilies. Another back page. Sunflowers. A lot of sunflowers and the portraits, and on there's a lot of going. Flowers, sky, a piece of leather. Again, how do you call it? A back paper. Another back paper. And you can see a lot of double pages. I'm sorry, the daisies. This is what I like. The bicycle and of course the portraits. A lot of colors and how do you call it? You can use it in colorful journal. You can use it as a vintage journal. I believe peonies. I'm not so good in flowers. Roses, yes, I know roses. Roses are red, but here the roses are pink. Pink and blue. It's also my favorite. Now we come to the lavender. Yes. A castle, mountains. Look at this. Is this not amazing? I have printed on, so cute, 160-gram paper. Now I pick the whole bundle. It's only the pages. Look at this. Pages. Only pages, pages, pages. Oh my god, and it's heavy. Okay, now we come to the I call it Die Cuties. Printed on 300 grams paper, the journal pocket. We get tags. More tags and labels. And this, I like it. Like it very much. A tag with a newspaper on the background. A peacock, flowers, butterfly, library cards. You can use them as belly band, big belly bands, but book labels. Little postcard, big postcard. This one is my favorite. Okay, go to the pockets. One pocket I have printed wrong. This a huge pocket, but I don't throw it away. I make something of it. Nice envelope. From each kit is an envelope or pocket or tags. And you know me, I use always my sticker paper. Also, one printed wrong. It's a huge ticket. But again, I can use it. This is printed okay. The lovely words spring, smile, journaling, arrival, garden, self-care, birds, river, lots of quotes, and my die cuties, flowers. In the kit there are more, but my kit, what I have printed is huge. It's very large and when I miss something, I can print it out. I make, as usual, another video where I'm making the journal. Do I have print a page but not in this kit? Then I show it to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you again. Thumbs up, subscribe, do what you like. Bye bye.